Good morning, students. So we were discussing about the Williamson family and the new houses which they built on the deserted island. Now, in that we had seen that they till now they had built two houses. One was tent house, another was the house on the tree. Now, today we are going to see about the third house which they built. Now what is the third house? The third house, let us see what is that. Okay, now before that I would like to ask you, now they built two houses. First was tent house. Now why they built the another house? The reason was the security, right? Because as Elizabeth told Williamson that that house was not secure, or that house was not safe to save them from the animals, and that is why they built the another house that was on the tree, so that they can save themselves from the animals. Now you tell me, do you think that the house on the tree was safe for them? Yes. Okay, the house from the house on the tree was not safe for them. The reason is, now see, this novel which is written in the settings of European countries, means it is in Switzerland, and we know Switzerland is a very cold country. Okay, or the area is very cold. And now what happened, when they started leaving, during that time it was not winter season, but now very soon winter was going to come. And as a result, if they will live on tree, then what will happen, the whole snow will cover the tree, and that will be very dangerous for them. And at the same time, whatever belongings they had in the on the tree house, that will also be covered with the snow. And that is why now Williamson was thinking about the another house. Means now in today's part we are going to see about the third house which they are going to build. Now let us see which is this third house. Now come to page number 8, second paragraph. Let us start. Thinking ahead of the next winter, father decided to create a place safe from the elements, a stronger storage spot to protect themselves and their belongings. Now as earlier also I told you, Williamson was a very smart guy. He was really intelligent guy, and that is why in advance he thought, when winter was going to approach, so in advance he thought ki if winter will come, then how they can live on this tree house. And that is why he was thinking to shift their house to some other place. And in such condition, now you also can think, what is the place which can save any one of us from snow? So it is nothing but the either a cave in jungles, in forest, okay, or a house like we live, which is made up of cement or any other thing, right? And that is why they decided to build their house in another place which can save them from the snow. Now what are the things they wanted to save from the snow? So it was the new house should be a strong storage place. Why strong storage place? Because whatever things they had with them, now they wanted to keep safe. They wanted to keep all that things safe from the winter or winter snow. Understood? And that is why they wanted to build the another house. Now what was that new house? Then Williamson put that matter in front of all family members, and he said ki now winter is coming and we have to save ourselves and our belongings. Now what do you think where we should go? And in that Fritz come out with a new idea. And what was that idea? So Fritz said that, father, we can build our house in a cave. Understood what he said? He said ki we can build a house in a cave, right? It was a perfect idea. So not finding one, they've thought of carving out their own cave in the rocks, abiding their camping site. On the smooth face of the rock, father marked the dimensions for an opening, and they picked away the hard surface with their axes, chisels, hammers and shovels. Now Fritz said, "Ki father, see, if you want to save ourselves and our belongings from the snow, then the best place would be a cave." And all of them got agreed on that, and they started searching a cave on the island, but there was no cave on the island. And that is why what they decided that they themselves will make one cave. अंडरस्टूड? क्या डिसाइड किया उन्होंने कि खुद एक केव बनाएंगे, और उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, बड़े से पत्थर को तोड़ के उसके अंदर में घर बनाना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टूड? इट इज सो सिंपल. And they come to the conclusion that they will have to make such a new cave, because they did not find any cave, and they started making that. And for that they made the survey of that island, and they found one big stone. So what is his name, Williamson, with the help of his knowledge, whatever knowledge he had about geometry and all, he found out the dimension. This would be the house, this would be the door. Inside we can make the rooms or whatever things they wanted. They marked all the dimensions and everything, and one day they started making the cave. Now whatever weapons they had, like axes, chisels, hammers, shovels, hatodi, channi, or whatever another weapons they had, with that they started carving the cave. For next many days they were continually carving the caves, and finally what happened, the family cut down window in the rock to allow for cross current. Okay, and what they did, finally they make the windows, proper doors, proper rooms, everything. Not only that, they, Miss Williamson, we can say, and the Williamson family, we can say, they took care that whatever they are making, that must be comfortable to live. And in that way they went on making all this, or they went on carving the that rock, big rock, and sunlight to enter the cave. Okay, and they took care that everything should be proper, means there should be proper rooms to live, there should be an arrangement of air, there should be arrangement of sunlight, there should be arrangement of going and coming, there should be arrangement that the snow should not easily cover the door and everything. Whatever things, necessary things, they took care of everything, and finally they made the cave, or their new house. When they had finished, they had 4 rooms, and in that way what they did, they carved the big rock and they made a cave, and in that cave they made 1 2 3 4 rooms, complete with a fireplace. Not only that, because during winter season they need a fireplace also to get some warmth, so they made that fireplace also. Now they had a new winter home, and in that way they formed their new winter home. Understood? Because of the low light the cave house had built felt oppressive. To remedy this, father and Jack rigged up a new light. They found a bamboo pole that would reach from the floor to the ceiling. And what happened after making that house, they started living in that, and they came to know that there was one problem in that house. And what was that problem? In that cave house, proper sunlight was not coming. Okay, and because of that, maybe because from all side, when things will get covered with the snow, definitely they were not going to get proper sunlight. And they after when they started living in that, they came to know, okay, this may be the problem in future. And that is why they sat, okay, and they started thinking, okay, what can they do. And finally father and Jack rigged out a new light, and they decided to put one more light in that cave. What they did for that, they found a bamboo pole that would reach up to the floor, to the ceiling. Then after securing it, Jack climbed to the top of the pole and hung a large oil lamp that they had rescued from the ship. And finally what they decided, they brought one big pole, and they fixed that pole in between the cave, and that pole reaches up to the ceiling of that cave house, and they fixed that. And then Jack climbed on that bamboo or pole, we can say, and he hanged one lamp on that. Means maybe every night they used to with the help of that lamp they used to get the light in that cave, and in that way they got their new house and they started living happily in that house. Okay, so let us stop here. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.